after I create the material, now I'm going to create the frame section, and this frame section is going to name as arch, and the material will be the steel that I create before. And to create the section, I have to use a section designer, and to create a tube, I need to use SDSShape.SetTube, uh, which section designer will modify the arch, and I'm going to put a name at the section designer, the material, and I'm going to put the properties, the height, the depth, and the thickness, thickness of the web and thickness of the flange. I can look for the section I create before in components, section properties, frame section, and here is the earth. Earth. Modify, I can look for it, section designer, and here it is a tube of it is a tube of height um, 60 centimeters and width 60 centimeters, and the flange is 25 millimeters, and web thickness is 25 millimeters. Okay, done.